Hello, my name is Denita Johnson, and this is my husband, Frank Pank. We are from Chicago, Illinois, and we are both health guests here at the M.E.E.T Ministry 18-day retreat. I found out about M.E.E.T Ministry from my mother many years ago. I had never heard of M.E.E.T Ministry, and neither had she, but she developed cancer, and this was like 30 years ago. And her church sent her to M.E.E.T Ministry, and when she came back from M.E.E.T Ministry, she was fine, and the doctors were all surprised, like, you survived this. They had said that she wasn't going to survive it, and she did. And throughout the years, when we would go to the doctor for different things with her, they would look at her records and say, "Oh, you survived, you're a survivor," because it was so rare and unusual. They did not expect it. So when I developed cancer, I knew that I was going to come to M.E.E.T Ministry, and I'm so glad that I did. I found more than a spiritual healing and more than physical healing, more than mental healing. I found it all together in a package and wholeness, and just knowing that God is the healer. And we at M.E.E.T Ministry, in this retreat, we use His 8 laws of health that He's outlined and given for us, and we put ourselves in His hands. We cooperate with Him, and it works.
My condition basically was I had high blood pressure, and it was difficult to control. So I decided to come along with my wife, and she has issues and I have issues, and we found solutions to what we need. We found the core problem, and we're going to be dealing with the core problem. We're going to give up the meat, we're going to give up the chicken and the fish, and we're going to try to live a life that is pleasing to God.
So I would recommend M.E.E.T Ministry to anyone who has any ailment, not just cancer, who wants a complete, holistic package to come to M.E.E.T Ministry.
It is a place where you can get all of the information you need in order to survive. They give you information, they tell you what you need, and they help you to prepare for what lies ahead. And I found that to be very good for me to get information that I can use when I leave here. So the staff has been tremendous. They are all professionals, and they have all had an attitude of help, and all had a very spiritual feeling that they transformed to everyone who is here. So we are very pleased and very happy that this organization is out in the world trying to show and share information that will help anyone with their health, because it is because of the 8 laws of health that we all exist. And if we keep those in order, then our life will be a lot much better.